Oh, sorry. Okay, so when you search in Google, you get this like the normal search you can have, or if you want the link also I can provide. It's the same thing. The link I'll provide in the chat box after my explanation. My voice is clear, right? I need somebody's like confirmation about that.
Yes, you are pretty clear.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the first screen that you get. You need to log in using your Gmail IDs. You all are teachers. You all know how to like get into a new software. You all are computer science teachers. So you understand why the need and all. So you need to have a Gmail ID to log in. Once it is done, this is the screen in front of you. And you will see the create apps there in yellow color. Right? So yeah, this one, create apps. So you need to click on it. And this is the first screen that you get. This is an already made screen that you right now got. I'll go for the new project. Okay. Yeah. So today's project is a calculator. That was the screen before. So we will get into that as well. So this is a new project screen in front of you. So the left side, you have the stuff like button, checkbox. You maybe if you're okay, Nishita ma'am, do you have any doubt there?
Yes, ma'am. As this is available on website as well. If our students use their own means, we have given our students JJIS email ID. We have our own domain. So can they use it for free? Is it possible if they log in with their JJIS ID on this website? Is it possible that they can use it for learning purpose? Because I'm having a chapter on this app inventor. So my basic question is that will they be also be allowed to use it?
This website is free. You will not face any issue. You just need a Gmail ID. So Gmail ID, for that reason, they can, they for the school purposes, they have got the ID.
Now everyone in our school has their own Gmail ID, which is our own school domain. So it is possible for them to use it, right?
Yes, they can. Okay. Yes, possible. It's completely free.
Okay, thank you so much.
Is there anybody else also raising their hand? No, right? Yeah, can I continue? I am continuing. So yeah, this is the first screen that you get for a new project. You all are computer science teachers. You know what's the meaning of button, checkbox. You may be teaching in the school. So if I like quickly go through all of that, it will take a lot of time. But I can just quickly tell you that this left side area, will provide you with the blocks. Not blocks. The designing stuff. Blocks is a separate item, but the designing type you will get to know when I start doing it. But for your understanding, it's like one by one you can check what is inside this. These are all part of application, right? If we get into sensors, some of the applications use these sensors. So if you are creating a application, which is having a use of clock, then you can use it. It's like by default stuff. You will understand when I start creating. So this left side area is about all your designs, and then whatever you drag in, it will be visible in this area. Right now, it's just the screen. That's why it's a screen there. When we add, you will see things are being added there. And the same thing, whatever is selected, its properties like color, left, right, orientation, everything is there. So that is the settings of the same. I'll just show you quickly how to just drag and drop the stuff in the user interface. We are going to create a calculator, a small calculator. So the first thing that you need is a label. You just need to drag and drop like that. Do you see where it is? So it is there, and you see label 1 is added like that. Like that label 1 is added, and its properties. All of these are its properties. So you can like set it, its alignment. Do you see? See, it become in center. Do you see that? Like that, one by one, you can go for that. This also center, which means it becomes in the center. Background color, everything is there. So that all are the properties. And then after that, the text inside. So text inside is also there. So you can select, and then you can change that text. See here, it's like enter the first number, because we are talking about a calculator. Okay. Now, again, the next thing that we need is a text box so that the user would be able to enter the numbers. See, as soon as I add inside the screen, inside the label one, there is a text box. And the text box is text box. The user is going to enter the stuff, so we don't need it right now. Nothing else there. Again, a label, and that is going to be enter second number. So this is about the design. Okay, I'll show you the actual design. I'm sure that you have understood this much, like how to drag and drop. We have all done this. Again, it's a text box for the second number. And the next thing that we are going to have is, actually, I'll get into the maiden project so that I'll not take much time on it. Just for creating. Yeah, this is the thing. So that was your label one, text box one, label two, text box two. Horizontal arrangement you will get from layout. Remember this horizontal arrangement is like if we drag the horizontal arrangement and then inside we can add buttons. As you see the result plus minus and all that. Once you add a horizontal arrangement inside that, if you can add multiple buttons like that. See, and then you can go for the settings the way you want it. So that's how the horizontal arrangement works. So I'm going to delete it because I have just created it for you. So in the first horizontal arrangement, you have one more button, which is like result, which shows you the result, and label 3 so that the result is displayed there. And in the next horizontal arrangement, you have 4 buttons, one by one, and the text inside is like plus, minus, into, and division, right? And I am talking about the size again. If you want to like understand how it works, once the button is added, and you can, there is an automatic height and width, and if you're not happy with it, you can go and you can just change the pixel or percentage. If you make it 10%, it will be like that, which is like, which was height I changed. So obviously it will look like that only. So I'll make it back to 30. And what just happened? Width is still good. What happened? There is something wrong. I'm talking about button 3. Is there a glitch? It's not changing now. I don't know why always happens with me. So anyway, when you try, you can try it. It will change. It will change its height. If I refresh, maybe it would work. Strange. Yeah, that's how you change the height. Just, you know. Strange. It's not changing. I'm sorry. But that's how you change it. I'm very sure because this is, I have made this only. So you may try this. Yeah, it changed. Do you see that? When I put 30, that happened. So yeah, it must be a glitch. So I'll make it to, what was it before? 5. Okay, I changed the width right now. It is 10 again. And the height also you can change. Yeah, it was 10 into 10. Better now. You can see the plus. Okay, so that's how you change the width and height. And there are more settings like color and all you can check. And that's done. After that, I'll come to blocks. So this is very important. This is design and this is block. When we talk about design, you need to come to the designer. And when we talk about the coding, we need to go to blocks. And you will see it's not like Scratch. In Scratch, it is like for separate sprites, we have separate like coding area. For this, it's like a single coding area where you can like increase the space like from left to right. You know, you have all the option of that. You can just reduce the size like that. So for this thing, you just need one set of code, and then separate of operations for the plus, minus, and all that. So let's talk about this one, button 5. If we go to designer, you need to check what is button 5. It's plus, right? So come back to blocks. Am I audible? Okay, Nishita ma'am is asking me something.
Ma'am, as you said, no, to adjust the height and width of this horizontal arrangement, I tried, but when I enter in pixel, it's not accepting. But when we enter in percent, then only it's accepting. Why so? When I tried to do it in pixel, it didn't change. But as soon as I tried in percentage, its width got changed. You can, if I am allowed to share, just a second.
Do you want to share your screen to me?
Yeah, just a minute, because okay, I need to teach this. No, so I want to learn it. Look, I have tried this much. If you can, is it visible?
Yeah.
So you can see I have tried. I tried this, and I don't know. You got horizontal arrangement 2. I got only 1. I am getting horizontal arrangement 1 only, and when I try, look. So in pixels, it's not happening. Look here. Suppose I do 100. Okay. Look. Oh, now it's happening.
It is changing. I think it's just now changed. Try something else, please. Got changed.
Okay, let me do it again.
Yeah, try something else, please, other than 100. Make it 50, please.
Now it's happening. Now it's happening. Yeah. Thank you.
It is working. Yeah. So yeah, if you have any doubt regarding like the what's the maximum, we all are teachers, just quickly Google what is the like maximum capacity of MIT App Inventor or the thing. You can just quickly get the values exactly if you don't have the idea. So just accordingly you put. Percentage, it is always easy. So like out of 100%, we teachers know like what would be the 90%, what would be the 80%. And for like making understanding the student also, it would be, I guess, better. That's why I use personally percentage, because pixel, again, it would like get into bigger numbers. That's why. That's it. I think it would be working. It is working on your system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think you are creating it along with me. All of you want to do like that only?
I tried it because I need to see that how that buttons used to work, but you have already created. So now I'll just focus on the coding more, and then I'll go through your recording.
No, okay. Then we will wait for some seconds. So the others also create this much. So I think we will complete the designing first. You have done. That's great, Nishita ma'am. Can everybody also try that? Get into MIT. Okay, I'll give you the exact the link to get into MIT App Inventor. Wait for a second. I'll paste it in the chat box so that you can just quickly click and get into. You put it in the chat box. Yeah, okay. So while I was sharing my screen, I'm not able to really read the chat. That's right now only I'm reading it. Okay, it's like vb.net. Vandana ma'am said that. Okay. Yes. And I have pasted the link. You can quickly get into, and then you can try creating the design. It's like enter first number, enter second numbers are labels.
I cannot allow to use this application in mobile right now because it's asking QR code.
It will ask the QR code. Why? Because once you, okay, let me just quickly share the screen. See, ma'am, there it is. Yeah. So it's like when we open the application, it will like show you, it will ask you for the QR code only, because once we have the application and you need to click on connect. Once you're done with everything in the project, you need to click on connect AI companion, and this thing you need to scan on your phone. Then it would be this same thing would be available on your phone for testing purpose, if it is working or not.
But Vandana, the thing is on mobile we are not creating. For mobile is used for testing. To create, we will have to use our system.
Yes. And if for any reason, if you are not able to get the font, the application in the font, I have another link to get it in the laptop only. If you need that, I can give you that link. That's why in the beginning only I asked if everybody has got the application or not.
We have installed, but
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Once you open the screen, because I've not used MIT for a long time now, I've also lost a touch on it.
Okay.
It's like once the first screen comes in, we go to resource and new. Get started. Resource.
Can you please share your screen so that I can help you quickly?
Sure.
Okay. Then see. Are you sharing your whole screen for me? It's your
sharing,
team screen.
I'm sharing. Just a minute. I'm sharing. Okay.
Ma'am, can you
see?
Screen?
Click on create apps. Go up, go up, go up.
Create, right?
Up, huh?
Okay. Now
create apps. Create. Yeah. Start new project.
Now start new project, right? Okay. So I was on right part. Now what comes?
You already have something created there.
Yeah. That was long back when we were testing it.
You come down,
but
scroll
this
down.
How this is not. Oh, now it's code. Okay. It was not scrolling earlier. Got it.
Click on do not show again, huh?
Bus done.
Like for some apps, now this kind of dialog boxes doesn't, we cannot scroll down and the page is like that. So in that case, what happens is we need to go to our desktop setting. If it is not allowing you to scroll down, then we need to get into our desktop setting and then, reduce the font size. That's how only it works. For some rare application, it is like that. We cannot scroll down. But right now, I think you have got it. So everybody is doing it, right? The enter first number and second number are labels. And for the both of the same, you need text boxes inside for after each space.
And after result, did you put up text box or it's just result? That's it. Or did you made a text box after?
Yeah,
result?
you can have a label as well. After result, you can have a label as well to represent the result.
Okay, then that label should be blank. As it is blank, we have to keep it.
Yeah, it is blank. Okay. And then inside a horizontal arrangement, 4 buttons. All 4 buttons like plus, minus, into, and multiplication and division operations.
I did. Okay.
Let me check what went wrong with my result button. I do not understand. Did I change? What's wrong? Okay, I changed the height of the horizontal arrangement. That's why it wasn't. I did not notice it. I thought I changed the height of that button. That was wrong from my side. Completely my mistake. Now it works. That's what I was thinking. What happened? Okay, it's perfect now. Yeah, it works. Right. Yeah. Let me know once you are done. Then we can get into
is there any
the
option
code
of copy pasting?
For what? The
Suppose there are 4 buttons, no? So instead of creating again and again, can't we do copy paste?
Is it available? Drag and drop. Why to copy paste? It's just drag and drop. It's the same thing. Same time it takes for copying. Control C, Control V. Same thing. Drag and drop. Am I sharing the screen? No, I am not sharing the screen. I stopped sharing. Should I share? Okay, better if I share. I can share. Yeah, this is the C. If you want to see, you can see, and you have the arrangements as well there. Label 1, text box 1, label 2, text box 2, horizontal arrangement, button and a result. Yeah, that's it. Actually, according to our program, result can be also a label because we don't, as soon as we click on plus, we are getting the answer. So it's just for
Ma'am,
the
should
show
I share?
purpose.
Should I
Okay.
share, ma'am?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So-
I'll stop sharing. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, why don't you make it in the center? It would look more good if it is in the center. The whole arrangement.
That from where did you do, ma'am? That center, the next one, because
Yeah,
I got
choose
alignment,
one.
main alignment to the center.
Can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Come to the first label one. Label one.
Yes.
You will see. Scroll down like slowly. Do you see it? Text alignment. Do you see that?
Yes.
It is center, and there is like top and bottom as well. No, not that. Wait. Let me just quickly check and exactly tell you.
Wait.
Yeah, go to the screen.
Yes. Okay.
And then screen itself is in the center, and first check the screen if it is in the center, and then label one center is the same. Are you getting
Okay,
it
yes,
in the
ma'am.
center?
Done.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, great. Who is sharing? Okay, Kathy, ma'am.
This is
Okay,
Kathy.
great, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine.
But that are okay. Wait. You have added the function as well. Okay. So, but you don't have that like plus minus all those buttons, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm missing on.
So you can add a horizontal arrangement first of all. You see on the top of in the layout, the first option, horizontal arrangement in the left side, in the palette. No, scroll down. You went up. Scroll down, please. No, scroll up. Yeah. In the layout, first option, horizontal arrangement. In the layout, you need to scroll up.
You want me to
in the left side. In the left side. You are on the right side of your screen. Come to the left side.
I got it.
Horizontal arrangement. Drag and drop to the screen. Okay. If it is like that, it can be down as well as part of like first there would be numbers. Yeah. And then inside the horizontal, you can also change the height and the width, like make it almost like a horizontal thing. Yeah. That is height, right? You can give the height like 30. It must be already 30. Which. Okay, it's increasing, which means you can give 10. Width can be like 90 or 80. No, it would be too small. The width can be 90 or 80. Height is like 10. Okay. Width can be 80 or 90.
Won't that be too much?
We need too much, like we need to add all four. That's why. Okay. Now, can you please go to the user interface, the first option?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get a button and drag and drop inside the horizontal arrangement. Okay. One is done. Get another one. Keep doing. Get another one. Next. And if you're not able to add, just quickly change the width and then add one more. All four should fit there. Yeah.
Okay.
Just quickly change the width and then try to add. You can change the width of button 1 and button 2 so that you get the space to add button 3 and button 4. Only the width. Height is not. Then, yeah, good. Better. Once you add all four, you can just change. Now that button 3 you have added, It's went up. You can use the same. It is there on the screen. After text label for label 1. Yeah, that's exactly. And change that width as well. And then add one more, which is going to be 4th. I'm sorry, I'll keep my camera off for two minutes, rarely. Yeah.
I think I'm done.
Yeah, Khyati ma'am is done. You can change the text like plus, minus, those operations.
Okay. It doesn't take in as symbols. It's giving me that letters, number, or underscore. So it doesn't take symbol.
Yeah, cancel this thing. Don't say okay. Yeah, it is there. Now again, do you see in the properties there is a text? I can see it on your screen. In the properties, come and there is a text and it is written text for button 1 right now. Scroll down,
Yes.
come down.
Yes. I've seen it somewhere.
There you need to change. It would be written text for button 1, something like that.
Just a minute, I'll check. See,
no, it's not
I'll
that
have to select that
Scroll
button
down.
first.
Yeah,
I'll have to
select
select
and
the button, then only
see,
it will be seen. Font height.
Obviously, yes, we are talking about the properties.
Text for button 1. This is what you're talking about?
Yes.
So there I can place a. You mean like this?
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Got it.
And also ask Khyati ma'am renamed it. You can also rename it to it for your understanding because it helps you when you do the programming. Plus, minus, whatever you understand.
Yeah, I did it with that context only.
Button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After getting into block, it is very confusing. So you can rename it. You can see on the screen rename and delete. You can easily rename the stuff, and then for the blocks, it helps you.
So this is the face value is onto the property side, and internal name is in the component side. That's what my understanding is.
Yes, exactly. So whatever you are adding, you have the option of renaming it. And the internal value is like for the visibility, how it is supposed to show, what the button is supposed to represent. You're doing exactly right. Division. I hope all of others must be also done, right? Is there anybody still, struggling with it? I don't think so, really. One by one. Okay, I know Nishita ma'am is done.
I don't need this text box, so I'll delete this.
No, we don't need. And also you have somewhere added a function that also is not needed for now. Yeah. Okay, so can one by one tell me that Nishita ma'am has already done. Vandana ma'am is done, right, ma'am? You can either unmute or give it me in the chat box. Okay. Vandana ma'am is done, right?
Yes,
And
yes,
who else?
yes,
Shannon ma'am. Shannon ma'am is silent today. Last week she was speaking.
Yeah, today her daughter is really very unwell. Herself and her daughter both. She messaged in the morning only.
Yeah, but let me know who is actually doing it. Okay, so you are just as if you are here, right? You're not doing along with
Yes,
it,
I'm
right?
here.
Yeah, I will not wait for them. No? Yeah. So Nishita ma'am who's done. Vandana ma'am, what's the status?
Paid already. I done. I done.
Good. Bindu ma'am.
I'm done.
Yeah, I heard you. I heard you. Bindu ma'am, what's the status? Have you done or are you struggling with anything?
Could you please repeat your question? Your voice was echoing.
Oh, okay. So I was asking, have you done with the design?
No, I haven't. Because I'm using my phone and it's difficult for me to toggle between the meet, the webinar, and also doing this. Yeah.
Okay. Can I continue with the blog or should I wait for you to finish?
No, you please carry on. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I will try this on my school system once. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Sure. So currently who is following with me is Khyati ma'am, Vandana ma'am and Nishita ma'am, right? Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I'm sharing my screen again for you to understand the coding blocks. As I said, we were previously on the designer area. Designer and blocks. So when you click on designer, you get this one, and when you click on blocks, you get this area, which is like plain in the beginning. This all I have all added. So I'll talk about one code so that you understand the working. I'll talk about this. Rest everything is copy pasted and then just changed. Okay. So we need to get into the button. Then only you get that option of when button 5. Otherwise, you will not see. Normally, what happens is in Scratch, if you are used to Scratch, it's like every code is like control logic. One by one, you can click and then you can understand. But if you see in this much area, you will not find this when button 5 click. For that, you need to go to button 5. So whatever there on your components here, it would be also there in blocks. If you have added something to the components, which means you will receive it in the blocks as well. Okay, so if we are talking about button 5, you need to go to button 5, then only these options are available for you. So let's just drag this to somewhere else that I get the space. So it's like button 5, click, and then set label 3 text to this. So you need to go to label 3. Do you see label 3 background? It is there. So that is it. And in the background color, you can make it text. So this much is done, but you did not receive the set. So you can check it where it is, where you are going to get it. Am I also lost it? Oh, I don't also see the set. It was label 3, right? Yeah, here. So yeah, this was wrong. So you already have a label thing. Where did that went? Oh, the dragging and dropping doesn't works like Scratch. You need to like separately delete it. So I'm going to do that because I am also so used to Scratch. So that was the command, set label 3, and this thing you can make it as text. So the same thing you are getting there only. This normal one and set also. You take the set one. And this thing is a bit tricky thing, join. So where do you get it? Join is here. But if you see, like there are only 2 spaces for me to add, right? If you check, see, I can add something here and here. But if you see, like the actual code has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have that much space, right? So how do you get it? That's the question. So let's go with the logic. What was it, text box one. So you get all this, all the other thing you get here. You can just add it like that. So just check what you want, get into that block, and then you will get it. So text box one, text, it is done. Now next thing is the plus. That also you can just get it like that, and the plus is that. Sorry, done. Now you need more space. What will you do? That's an important thing. You need to watch me carefully. Click on the settings. See, you need to add like that so that you get more. So total I counted 5. So all in one, I'll add 5. See, now you are having more option. The same thing, go again, text box to drag and drop and change it to text because we are talking about text. And the last thing is what? There is an operation. So obviously you can check for math. It's an operation there. So you can add it. I think this was, I have added an extra one. Yeah, equal to I missed. So you can also add equal to like that. Okay. And then what? The same thing you can just duplicate actually, because before, or you can just go and get, doesn't matter. The first one, like the normal thing is there, not along with the set. You can also add this, or you just duplicate from up there. Doesn't matter. You can also duplicate like that. So that's done. Now, if I scan the code and then if I scan the code, I get the designer block. Okay, in the font window, my font window, it will look like that. And if I enter the first number, second number, and then if I click on the plus, I should get the answer. That's why we are supposed to do. So I'll keep my screen shared so that you can see the block as you are doing for the first time. It is very confusing, I'm very sure. So I'll keep it like that. Right now I'm deleting it because it's an extra block. I have added it for you. You can watch from here, and as you are teachers, you know what to do next. All for other operations, here it is minus, and the operation that you are choosing from the math is going to be the -1. For the into, this one. For the division, this one. It's like the same, but the operations have changed. Clear? Should I explain it again how to do?
Let us try.
Will you be able to do? Yeah, sure. So I'll keep my screen shared so that it is not that difficult for you.
Can you zoom it to the first one? Is it possible?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Is that enough?
Yeah. You are setting the level of text to.
Yes.
Ma'am, after doing this, how to check the result or directly, because directly we have to go in the code.
Nishita दौड़
Connect. ये तो मेरे को कैसे
Connect
सीखना है?
AI companion. You will get the code, scan it through the mobile phone, then you can do it in the mobile phone.
Okay, so we cannot check on this. We cannot check on this.
No, निशिता. MIT का सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ही हमारे स्कूल में वो है कि चेकिंग मोबाइल से ही होता है यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, just you
have a separate option. You have a link. I can provide you with the link if you want to do it in the laptop. It's a separate setting.
And ma'am, can you post that link to our with this mail also, so that we can use it while teaching the students as well, if possible,
Yeah, sure,
if it is convenient.
Sure. Yeah. Actually, by the end of this meet, I'll post it in the chat box. You save it somewhere, right?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Can you post the link right now so that I want to check what I have done is working or not?
You don't have the phone with you?
Yeah, I am.
What will the doctor do?
Okay, I'll click on connect. Okay, connect, and then ma'am, what you said to do?
Scan the QR code.
You click on connect, you will get a QR code. You need to scan it using your phone MI Companion app.
I clicked on connect and it is showing me 5 options actually. AI Companion, emulator, USB.
AI Companion.
Okay. Yes,
I received the code that you have sent. Emulator only we are using.
Ma'am, I am getting 6 plus 6 equal to true. I'm not getting 12.
You need to
don't
check
know
the code. There
But
must
I
be
have
something
said-
wrong with the code.
I don't know. I will share. You just check it out where I have missed it.
What answer were you getting? 6 plus 6 is equal to what?
True. I don't
True.
know.
True
You
or
can
false?
see my.
It means you
Yeah,
must
it's
have
getting
used
as a boolean.
some Boolean stuff.
Yeah, I don't know why, but it's giving me this one. Can you see the code if I'm
Okay, wait.
Yeah, please check it.
Okay, I can see the code. Okay. It's equal to. Make it plus.
Where,
Text
ma'am?
box 1.
Here. Okay. This one?
You have used the wrong one. Can you please go to math in the left side?
Math.
Get the box where the plus is in 1, 2, 3, 4th one.
Okay. Yeah, I have used the wrong one. Okay, got it. Let me try once again.
Good. I think it must be working now, and if it is working, you can quickly do all the other 3 as well, and it's done.
Ma'am, it's working. It's working.
Yeah.
6 plus 7 equal to 13. Yeah, it's working. 6 plus 7 equal to 13. I got on my mobile phone.
I am happy that 6 plus 6 is 12 right now. Okay, so who else was doing? Vandana ma'am. What's the progress? Okay, so again, instead of plus, you will do minus, and the operator also from math you will take accordingly. Yeah, sorry, Vandana ma'am, can you please repeat again?
I am doing, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I think I am going a little haywire.
You can share me the screen.
I'm not able to see where I have.
If you want to share me the screen, I think Nishita ma'am has got it and she would quickly complete. So, ma'am, you can please stop share.
Yes.
And
It's
can I
done.
help Kathy ma'am? Yeah.
When I click on plus, I've taken the plus button, right?
I understood.
So
Yes.
it's giving me a cross over here. Can you see?
Yeah, I see that. But why
Because
it is
I'm
happening?
using my num1 text to add. So I have to go to the math. That's what my understanding goes to.
See,
Where is math?
your label 3, according to my program that I show you, it's not the number 1. It's not the number 1. It's a label. It's a label means label along with the result button. You see, can you please come to the designer so that I can tell you exactly what it is? It's not number 1. That's what wrong there.
Should I change?
Because number 1 is a text box. Yeah, you can just remove that particular that block, that green block. It's not the same. Can you please come to the designer so that I can tell you exactly which one do you need to take?
See, my screen
Actually,
1 is label name is number and value name is value 1.
I understood. So you do not have a space for the result. Do you understand? On your design, there is a space for first one, second one, but no result. So you need to add a label in between this
Okay, so
text
what the
and
one which I deleted was wrong. I shouldn't have deleted.
you need to add a label anywhere so that it is your result.
Got it.
And so for that label, we are coding that. Like that stuff you will get it for. It's a label, 1, 2, 3, 5.
I'm a label.
Yeah.
Right. And I rename
So you
this
may
as
rename it as result for your understanding. Yeah, great. Now come back to code. I can help you with it.
But
then,
don't we need to
remember
show
this,
where will it share the result? Don't we need a box for it?
so according to this program, when you click on the plus, you will get the result. So you don't really necessarily need the button result, but you can make it visible there. Instead of text of label 1, you can just change the setting in the properties. The text written should be results, no? Or you make it like empty. Because according to this now, when you get into the code, get into the mobile, it will show you the same thing. It is actually not asking you enter first number. So as a user, how will you understand that you are making a calculator and you need to enter the first number? So you need to edit that text there if you need. It will not affect the code, but it's like as a designer. Yeah, you can take that result. Yes, exactly. Set second option. No. Scroll up. Second one. The very second one. Scroll up. Yeah.
I'm on the top.
Second one. Set result to. Exactly that. Check. Get it? Set it, and instead of background color, it is going to be text. Now you can do the further code, but why still you are getting that close?
I'm still getting the cross one. That's what my problem is.
It can be in a horizontal arrangement, but I don't think that will affect. Let me check.
I'll go to the designer again.
Bold. Sorry?
I'm going in designer again. Should I remove this and put it? But that doesn't make any difference. It's outside the horizontal.
Horizontal arrangement is for the design.
It's completely outside the design.
Outside the design means what?
So yeah, it is outside the horizontal, so it's not going to affect that.
Oh, you have added it inside the horizontal. Okay. No, it's not inside the horizontal.
It is outside.
Which is good.
See, it is outside.
Good. It is good. It should work now. Yeah, you will not face issue with that.
Still, I am getting that error over here.
Can you please make it empty? That result text box. Can you just keep it empty only? Not there. In the properties.
I'll change it.
Keep it empty. Yeah. Just press enter.
I'll put it again.
Is it still giving you the same? I don't know why that is happening.
See result. I'm selecting, setting the result T. Still it is giving me an error. Set
Let
result
me just quickly check.
From
why would you get that?
To.
I'm not understanding. Okay, just am I talking? Yeah. Yes, I was saying just continue with the thing. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, can you please click on that error that you are getting?
Yeah.
Oh, not like that.
The block needs a value block.
Click on that show warning or error. Do you see that down there? Click on it. Show. The block needs a value block connected to its socket. Okay. Can you please create a horizontal arrangement in the designer? Horizontal arrangement. Quickly get a horizontal arrangement. One more. Not that one. That one is already done. Finished, right? Come to the layout, left side. After user interface, you have layout there. Scroll down. Get a horizontal arrangement exactly where your result is right now. Did you deleted the result? Where is it?
No, you removed the name, na?
Yes.
You had asked me to remove the name.
Yes. Get the horizontal arrangement. Yeah, it's good. Leave it there. Get the horizontal arrangement. Yeah, get it. And then put this this result inside, and also, yeah, this result inside the horizontal arrangement. Yeah, you can see it on the screen. Inside. Yeah, good. Also a button inside. One
more button to be added inside.
Yeah. I don't see any other error, so let's try this. No, button is outside right now.
No.
It is outside the horizontal arrangement right now. You may just edit the width, height, and everything and just add inside. You could have just completed the code. Maybe after completing the code, you will not get that error. That's what I feel, because, even adding the button, I don't think there would be any difference. Yeah, but let's do. After completing the code, if we have an issue, we can check. It's already 6:30. Yeah, quickly do. Where is the result area? Can you please click? Yeah, just complete the code. I'll keep my screen shared. Just complete the code now. Maybe you will get it now. Okay. So I'll share my screen. Yeah. Here. So you can use join from the text, I guess it is. Yeah, text, join. And then if you want more blocks, you can click on that settings like that. And then add the string. It's okay, ma'am, because it is not, complete it. Then we have an error, we'll check. Because it's also because it's
I'm
so
going
like
to join a
string. I hope it is visible.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, who is done? Nishita, ma'am?
Yes, all the 4 functions are working on my phone as well.
Great.
Yes,
Happy.
it's working.
Yeah. So let's. What about Vandana, ma'am? No, Vandana ma'am was not doing, right? Who else was doing? Yes, Vandana ma'am was doing.
Done with plus and minus assignment.
Okay, great. So only Kathy ma'am is pending. She will also complete.
Ma'am, should I show it once so that I feel that
Nishita, share karo na, please.
Share.
Yeah, show me.
I'm ready. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
I hope it's done. You please say it because I need to teach to my students. So if there are any glitches, let me know and say it.
Did you check that? Did you play it?
Yes. I don't know how to show it to you, but yes, I have checked it on my cell phone. It's working. I don't know how to show it from my phone. I did it 8 and 2 I added, so it is working for all the functions. So according to me, it's working, but I don't know. So you just go through the code once. I have to be a good student for teaching them.
Yeah, it is exactly.
Acha, ma'am.
I'll stop sharing. I'll stop sharing. Yeah, okay.
I'll share my screen because my error is prolonging to the further one.
I don't know why you are getting that error. Only you are getting that error. It's okay. Show me.
See, in text join also the error, as soon as you take text join, It's giving me the string error also and number error also.
Why is that happening? Maybe have you taken the label and the text box in the beginning? Is it in the screen?
Yes.
It's a label and text box, right?
This is my label. This is my text box. It's
Yeah,
very much
yes,
clear
it is.
seen. See, A stands for label, and
You should
this
fill
icon
all
is
the
for
sockets with blocks. Yeah, I see that. I don't also see any
so
issue there.
this is all 4 buttons. Then again in horizontal arrangement for design, I've taken label. I've not taken a value. I've not taken the text box over here in result. So I feel that should I take a text box over here? Do you think so?
That was a label, right?
Yeah.
It is a label only. It is a label. It's not the text box.
It is
Text
a
box is something
result is a
we are
label.
getting like input.
But
It
text
is.
box
It
is
should be the
what I
label. Text
understand
box is like.
text box is for data entry. Label is for the name of the
Yes.
data entry value.
Yes. 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 No, label is not the data entry value. Label is like whatever we want to print,
It's
like
a
show the
name.
output.
Name to be show the output.
If you come to designer, I'll just quickly tell you. So label is like enter the first number. Right now, you did not edited the label. That also I was telling. The text for label 1, do you see that? Instead of that, you can edit it in the properties like enter the first number. Text for label 1 I'm talking about on the screen and on your design. Instead of that, you could have like in the properties, you could have yeah. Do you see the text? You could have given like enter the first number. So it's for the user. It's output thing, just like print command. So the same thing we are using for the result as well. It's a box where we are going to suppose print something. What is going to print? It would like depend on the operation like that. Did you understood, ma'am, now? Should I explain it again?
That's what I'm saying. No, that's what I'm saying. Label is for user to understand what is to be typed into the text box that is being provided.
Label is just the output to print something. That's it. What to print, it's according to the programmer.
So whatever you are printing will come in the text box.
Yes.
So ideally your program is using the text box.
Label is for the programmer to print something like enter number 1, number 2. Text box is getting the input from the user. Input.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. In text box. Okay, I got it. We are on the same page.
Yes.
I understood.
Okay, so I do not understand really why there is an error. Also, it's already 8:36. What I can do is you can take a screenshot of my blogs and the components and everything and just try it once again if you have time by next week.
I'll do one thing. I'll restart the whole of the module and try it out myself.
I can share my screen again so that you can just quickly take the screenshot. If you have a doubt, you can just
share it from Nishita as well. She has finished.
Okay. If you want to take a screenshot, you can do it. I have shared my screen. Okay, Nishita, ma'am is saying something.
Ma'am, now in this app, this website, right? What we are using and what we have made, it's automatically saved as a project, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And now we have to in my project, I can see what we created. There is nothing to save or something, right? It will stay there only. Yes.
Yes.
And we have to just do sign out from this, right? From this app.
Sign out is also not needed. Yeah. Next time when you get in Y2, like every time give your mail ID and all that, you can just straight away get it.
This stays as my project in our own this ID, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes. In this Gmail ID. So why I was telling Kathy ma'am, because she's going to try it herself because right now she's getting an error. So you can just quickly take a screenshot so that if you have any doubt, quickly you can refer to this. That's it. Because this is a working one. That's it.
Ma'am, I had a question.
Yeah, I'm going to stop sharing. Kathy ma'am, have you taken the screenshot?
Vandana, you had some question, right?
Yeah, ask
Ma'am,
me,
I had
ma'am.
a question. Huh.
Yeah, Shannon,
After
ma'am,
this,
right?
after this entire thing, once the students do or we do, can we share it with someone? Is there a facility of sharing it with someone?
Yes. Yes,
So
yes.
could you show that later? Anytime. Mhm.
Yeah, there is the same option where the projects, my projects and everything you can see. Same there, you have the option of export it to my computer. So that way it is saved to your computer, then usual attachment in the mail.
Okay, so the students
Okay.
can send it that way also and we can check.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, please share that link
Right?
up from where, yeah, ma'am, please share that link where we can see the output on
Nishita,
the
I have
screen.
mailed you. Nishita, I have mailed you. Ma'am had already
Acha,
shared in chat,
okay,
and I have shared with everyone.
okay, okay. Sorry, ma'am.
I have
sorry.
mailed you.
Okay, fine, fine. I think we can wind it up for today, and next week I will come with some more projects. But I would ask Kathy ma'am to try it by yourself. It may be a system glitch, I guess, or you can just try it once again whenever you get time. And if you're still facing an issue, you can connect with us through mail or something, right?
Sure.
Nidhi has got
Sure.
the contact number. So yeah, we can solve it. I do not really feel like it's an issue of like your program. It must be a system glitch. Okay.
I'll try it again.
Yeah, sure. And I did not receive Vandana ma'am. Have you completed it?
Yes, ma'am, it was a network issue, so in between I was like,
Okay, done, right? Okay, so I think that's all for today. I'll see you next webinar, right? Nidhi